Welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. In this short video, I am showing you this little table that I got for van life. I'm totally in love with it, and I think you guys will be too. So come on with me and let's check it out. All right, my friends, so this little table was $20 on Amazon. I got inspired to purchase something like this from my friend Colleen, who was using something similar, although her table is adjustable. I will start out by saying that this table is not adjustable, but I wasn't really looking for that feature. I will also tell you that this table comes in a variety of colors, but I liked the bamboo. This is the bamboo because it just felt really homey. So what I love about this table, for starters, is I can literally stand right here and cook on it, or prepare meals or whatever. I mean, I can stand here and use it kind of as a nice little counter space next to my fridge. So that in itself was worth the $20. I also think that I can use it when I'm in my van in a variety of different ways, whether it's on a table in front of my seat, or if I'm using it as like a nightstand, or I'm doing some work while sitting on my bed. I can turn it any way because it fits perfectly in here to use next to my bed, and I still have open floor space. So it's super lightweight, as you can see here, and the legs do lock into place, but they're easy to fold down. And then the table folds like this. It locks up here. And there's even a little carry handle. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is that little foldable table? You can use it when you're sitting like in a camp chair at your campsite. It would be a great little picnic table. You could even unfold it and use it like as a lap tray. Sorry, this is hard with one hand. And use it as like a lap tray. So I could put it on my lap like when I'm sitting in my seat, or even when I'm sitting on my bed. How neat. Oh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. And it was only $20. I actually, you know what, this one might have been $21. The bamboo color might have been $21. But then I figured out that I can just kind of slide it right back in here. Ta-da! Oh my God, you guys, I'm so excited. Yay! So this is by Superjar. If that's how you say it, I'm not really sure. But it's on Amazon. Link and dimensions in the description. It is not adjustable, but I hope you enjoy this table as much as I did. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. Winston and I will see you on our next adventure.